Hello, my name is Megan and I'm a science educator here at the Health Museum. And today we're going to talk about hand washing and why it's important. Hand washing is important because it helps you stay safe from harmful bacteria and viruses. In particular, it helps you kill the bacteria and viruses and wash it off of your hands. Today we're going to show you like a little setup on how we can do that. So, if I touch something random and it's infected or someone has sneezed or coughed on it, if there's anything on this thing, and then it gets on my hand, and during the day, I don't wash my hands, and I touch my face, and I touch my nose, and I touch my mouth, all ways that viruses and bacteria can enter our body, later, I will get sick. But also, this is how you can see. So I have some around my eyes, and around my nose, and around my mouth. The way we can prevent this is to wash our hands. So the proper way to wash our hands is to first completely get our hands wet, and then to get soap, and then to lather every single crevice of our hands for at least 20 seconds. Wash, get your entire palm and the back of your hand and your knuckles and in between your fingers and underneath your nails and on your thumbs, and then completely rinse off all of the soap. And then to get a clean paper towel to completely dry your hands in between all of your fingers that you just washed, because we don't want our hands to be at all damp. And then when we check under the black light, our hands will be completely clean.